Your children or grandchildren are not looking after you? Don't you have any income of your own? Are they living abroad? Or don't you have any children? Don't worry. As per Central Government Act for senior citizens and parents, and as per state government rules, they are liable to give you up to rupees 10,000 per month for expenses of parents and grandparents. You have the right even when you are a stepfather or stepmother. If you don't have any children and you are a senior citizen, your legal heir is liable to provide you the sum. If you are a parent, you need not be a senior citizen to get this benefit. If not given, you have the legal right to evict them from your home and they may get imprisonment up to 3 months. Central government has enacted Maintenance and Welfare of Parents and Senior Citizens Act 2007 for you, and as per section 24 of this act, there can be an imprisonment up to 3 months and fine or both for those who abandon their parents or grandparents. Some reasonable doubts may arise in your mind now, right? My parents did not give any care during my childhood. Then am I liable to give the maintenance amount? Or my father remarried after I attained adulthood and my stepmother did not look after me at all. Am I liable in this case? My children are living abroad or foreign citizens. How can I get any amount from them? Before clearing your doubts, let's see what the Act says. This Act was introduced on the 58th year of Indian Republic. Let us see the definitions as per this Act. Who is a parent? A parent can be father, mother, stepfather, stepmother, or grandparents. It can be biological or adopted parents. The parents need not be senior citizens to get protection as per this Act. But if you don't have any children, then only senior citizens will come under the purview of this Act. They can claim maintenance from their legal heir. Now, let us see who is a child as per this Act. Children can be son, daughter, then grandson or granddaughter. Relative is applicable for senior citizens who do not have any children. A relative is the legal heir of the senior citizen and they are bound to give maintenance. He is the person who is liable to get the senior citizen's property, if any. Now, what is the meaning of maintenance? It includes basic needs like food, clothes, house and medical needs. Let's now examine who are eligible to claim the benefits under this Act. Those who cannot maintain themselves from their property, if any, or from their own income can claim maintenance as per this Act. If you do not have the income to live your life, you can claim it. You can apply for this by yourself or through another person or through a voluntary organization registered under the Societies Registration Act 1860. The tribunal can act suo motu in favor of the senior citizen or parent if it wishes so. The liability of the children is to fulfill the requirements to lead a normal life by the parents or senior citizens. As per the provisions of this Act, the tribunal and appellate tribunal are to be formed by state governments. Tribunal will have the powers of first-class judicial magistrate. One important point is lawyers are not allowed to represent any of the parties in front of the tribunal. You have to discuss your issues with your children in the presence of the tribunal. No need of a lawyer here. In case your children are outside of India, with the powers received through Gazette notification of the Central Government, tribunal can summon them. Once the tribunal receives an application, they will serve notice to the concerned parties to appear before the tribunal, and in case they have any reason not to proceed with the application, the same are to be presented. In case they do not present themselves on the date given, the tribunal can issue an ex parte order. If they are present and ready to provide a maintenance as agreed by both parties, order will be issued accordingly. In case of objection, both the sides will be heard and appropriate order will be issued. The maximum amount that can be allowed by the tribunal is Rs 10,000 per month. In special cases, as per the paying capacity of the children, the tribunal can order more based on higher court orders. The application shall be disposed within 90 days of sending the notices. Now you just consider a case. The child is having a monthly income of 10 crores. Now, accordingly, the parents' living condition also will differ. So, the paying capacity of the child is more. In such cases, the tribunal can order more than 10,000 rupees. But actually, this is subjected to other court orders and all. They can quote the orders of different high courts and all, or maybe if some order is there from the Supreme Court, that also can be quoted, and based upon them they can give a order. There's a possibility for this being questioned in the High Court, and the applicant should be ready for that. Let us see what are the responsibilities of state government as per this act. The government hospitals shall provide beds for all senior citizens as far as possible. Separate queues shall be arranged for senior citizens. Facility for treatment of chronic, terminal and degenerative diseases for senior citizens. Research activities for chronic, elderly diseases and aging is expanded. In every district hospital, there shall be facilities for geriatric patients duly headed by a medical officer with experience in geriatric care. As per section 23 of this act, senior citizens have the right to evict their children from their home legally, and in case you have gifted your property to your children, it can be revoked also, even if it is not clearly mentioned in your deed that they should look after them at their old age. Expulsion and abandonment of senior citizen. Whoever is having the liability to take care and protect the senior citizen leaves such senior citizen in any place with the intention of wholly abandoning shall be punishable with imprisonment of either description for a term which may extend to 3 months or fine which may extend to 5,000 rupees or with both. Any senior citizen or a parent aggrieved by an order of a tribunal may, within 60 days from the date of the order, prefer an appeal to the appellate tribunal. The appellate tribunal shall pronounce its order in writing within 1 month of the receipt of an appeal. Here, we shall note that this act is for the welfare of the parents and senior citizens who cannot earn enough to protect themselves in their old age. Hence, whether they have done their responsibility to their children properly or not is immaterial here. Also, whether they have left any property to their children or not, The children should do the needful for them to lead a normal life. Had they had any money, they would not have gone to the tribunal for maintenance expenses from their children. When we were small children, we were not be able to do anything by ourselves. They have protected us, helped us to grow, fulfilled our needs and requirements. Now they have reached a state in which they cannot survive without our help. And the children should think that they are giving back what they have given you in your childhood days. There are people who understand these, and some are to be reminded by enacting acts. Your children are watching you. They shall not ask you, why should they look after you at your old age, since you have not done anything for your parents. If you like this video, please subscribe to this channel now itself, so that you will get notification for videos that may be interesting and useful to you. Thank you.